How to use achievements. Invest with extra advantages on pocket option. Open trades and unlock simple achievements. Get gems and XP for your activity. Exchange gems for trading advantages, promo codes, bonus to balance, risk-free, cashback, boosters, prolongators, gems, chests, and bots. Top up your real account to make purchases in the market. Get more bonuses for the XP gained. Follow your progress on the Achievements tab. Observe all achievements and rewards available. Compete with other top 10 users to win additional bonuses.